What's up everyone, I'm Waqzite for Waqzite, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blend text on a tree. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this image by clicking on the link in the video's description. So first of all, select the type tool and click anywhere on the canvas. Type something and press Ctrl Enter to confirm it. Now select Move tool and move the text right here. Right click on the text layer and choose blending option. Click on this drop down menu and select green. Move this slider just like this. Now as you can see, it is too harsh. So to make it soft, hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and click on Add. Move this slider to the left and this slider to the right just like this, and then hit OK. Now it is done, and you can also change the text by double clicking on the text layer, and now you can type anything that you want. When you are done, press Ctrl Enter to confirm it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post new video. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.